I'm Christy Brinkley.
I'm Bridget Moynihan.
My name's Ashley Graham.
I'm Lana Ogilvie, and today we're shooting NYDJ 2016.
NYDJ was really the first brand to come out with this lift tuck technology. It just makes you feel like you're getting a hug and a support every single time you walk out the door.
I love the whole message of NYDJ.
Fit to be means that you can be whoever you want to be. It talks to every single woman because it's giving you that opportunity to really be yourself.
It's a very inclusive campaign that says no matter how old you are, no matter what your size is, they've got a jean that's going to fit you, fit your style, fit your life, and take you comfortably from one end of the day to the other.
I think when something fits great, you feel more confident.
These jeans really are slimming.
For me, it means fit to be sexy, confident, fit to be liberated.
It really is that brand that you go to because they have a fit specifically for you, and it's almost as if it was made for you.
I think it is so wonderful that NYDJ has 50 sizes of jeans, from petite to plus size.
But they have many different cuts and colors too that are essential for your closet.
No matter what your size, you belong. You're gonna find a jean for you as though it's custom made for you. And that is guaranteed to make you feel great.